Hi, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hey, you got your...
On stage 14, George, Jane, remember to take your scripts. Okay, now that's all for today, guys.
Bon?
Hey, thanks for the intro, Yogi and Boo Boo. And welcome, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Joe Barbera.
And I'm Bill Hanna. We want to show you how we make cartoons. First, a team of artists creates dozens of different drawings of each character.
Hey, look, that's Dick Dastardly. Do you remember that old villain, Bill?
I sure do. Hey, how about drawing Elroy Jetson?
Great, he'll be easy. We've been animating the Jetsons since 1962.
No kidding? Has it really been that long?
Yeah, it sure has. But it's been all fun.
It sure has.
Hiya, Mr. Barbera. Jumpin' Jupiter. Don't stop there. What about the rest of me?
Okay, Elroy.
And don't forget my anti-gravity backpack.
Can't forget that.
Thanks.
Here, you'll probably want this too.
Feels good to be able to stretch my legs.
Nowadays, cartoons are even being created with computers.
That's the spaciest. How do you do it, Mr. Hanna?
Ah, the magic of animation. That's my job, Elroy. The computer draws electronically. Take old Dick Dastardly's spaceship, for example. The computer drew everything you see.
Aha! I finally have you where I want you!
Oh, look who crashed our show.
Do you know how sick I am of being called Old Dick Dastardly?
Sheesh, what a grouch.
I'm as deliciously wicked and unscrupulous as ever. In fact, you should make me and Miley the stars of Hanna-Barbera's next project.
Sorry, Dastardly, but Elroy's next, followed by the Flintstones.
Yeah!
Then Scooby-Doo.
Enough! If I'm not the star of your next project, then no one will be!
Great job!